Hello everyone, this is Life Microscope. Today's knot article introduces a knot technique that gets tighter and tighter. It's easy to tie things and it's very easy to unravel. Let's see how to do it. I prepared a rope. First, form a rope loop on the left hand of the rope. Then the right hand goes from top to bottom. Pull the main rope on the right out of a rope loop. This loop is adjusted to the appropriate size. Then put the rope on the left over the object we need to tie it. After adjustment, pull the rope on the left double. After folding, pass the rope on the right. I can pull your main rope. The knot is ready. This knot is simple. It is very firm after being elastic. It's great for tying things like tent and quilts. They are very good. It's easy to unlock. Just pull on the end of the rope and you can untie it. Have you learned this knot that can be quickly untied by tying things? Well, today's video will be shared here. Thank you for watching. If you like, please like and follow. See you next time. Bye.